お願いします。
I really like to go to seminars because it has a special meaning for me. There are, of course, very, very good teachers giving inspiration on Aikido, showing technique, showing elements which I might not be aware of or which I might have forgotten. And they sometimes explain it in a kind of different way, so it resonates with me, which makes a lot of fun.
After throwing, 立ち決めまで。
And last but not least, it is absolutely great to have a socializing event, meeting all the Aikidokas, sitting together, chatting about Aikido, having food, having party, doing sightseeing together, which is a great experience in the Tendoryu Aikido family. That's why I really love going to seminars.
Yeah.